You might really be struggling to find meaning in the things that God allows in your life today. And I would like to encourage you with a beautiful scripture verse that we find in Psalm 139, verse 16. God has planned every day of your life in His life's book that He has written about you. Your life is not an experiment. There is a God that's interested in you. He knows where you are. Even though it seems at the moment totally meaningless, God is with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. And He has written into your book these things that you go through, because He will save you even in these things. You are very precious to God. He cares about you.